Number 8 says the table of values is for the linear function y equals 1 half x minus 2, and they give us a table. When the function is graphed, what are the, and I want you to highlight x and y intercepts. We're looking for the x and y intercepts on this problem. I know it says that when the function is graphed, and we probably should graph it to see what it looks like, but here's a shortcut. All we need to know on this problem is this. The x-intercept happens when y is equal to 0. And the y-intercept happens when x is equal to 0. That's the only thing we need to know on this problem. That's how simple this one is. There's two important points on that table that I want you to highlight. The first one is 0, negative 2, and the second one is 4, 0. Now we just said the x-intercept is when y is 0. So looking at those 2 points, we want to find the one where y is 0. That's going to be the x-intercept. So go ahead and label that one x-intercept. 4, 0 is the x-intercept. The y-intercept happens when x is equal to 0. So that means we're going to look at the table and see when x is equal to 0. That's going to be the y-intercept. So I want you to make sure you label that one, y-intercept. All we have to do on our answer choices is go through and see which answer choice match what we just circled. So we said our x-intercept happened at 4. That's what we just said up here. So if we look at A says the x-intercept is at negative 2. Cross it out. If you look at B says the x-intercept is at 1 half. Cross it out. That's not what we wrote or what we circled. C says the x-intercept is 4, that looks good, and D says the x-intercept is 4, that looks good. But if we look at the y-intercepts, remember up here we said the y-intercept was negative 2. So if we look at C looks good to me. But if we look at D says the y-intercept is 0, that's why we aren't going to pick D. The answer is